What if you could make those painful, bulging veins disappear for good without ever setting foot in an operating room? They start subtly as faint discolored lines beneath your skin, but can progress into a source of real discomfort. This common issue often leads to aching, swelling, and a persistent heavy sensation in your legs. Mainstream approaches typically suggest tight stockings or medical procedures, but what you're about to see are gentle, natural strategies that could deliver remarkable results. By integrating a few simple changes, you can significantly improve your vein health, completely surgery-free. Number 1. Horse chestnut. This powerful plant is renowned for supporting vein function, and for good reason. Its key component, Aescin, works to fortify the walls of your veins, lessen inflammation, and reduce fluid leakage from small blood vessels. Consistent use, whether in pill or cream form, can diminish swelling and discomfort while enhancing blood flow back to the heart. It's especially beneficial during the initial phases of vein issues. Number 2. Grape leaf extract. The leaves of red grapevines contain potent flavonoids, including anthocyanins, which combat oxidative damage and improve vascular strength. Scientific research confirms that taking this extract daily can boost the flexibility of your blood vessels, decrease water retention, and ease that tight, tense feeling in your legs. It even offers a mild flushing effect, perfect for reducing puffiness on warm days. Number 3. A powerful trio: vitamin C, vitamin K2, and OPC. This combination is a little-known secret for reinforcing your body's connective tissues and venous walls. Vitamin C is essential for producing collagen, which provides structural support. Vitamin K2 directs calcium away from veins, preventing them from becoming stiff. OPC enhances small-scale circulation and acts as a protective antioxidant. Together, they work from inside to not only stop varicose veins from worsening, but also to help repair them. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. This common household item can stimulate circulation and reduce swelling, particularly when used on the skin. Dilute it with water and gently rub it on. This can help tighten vessels and relieve that heavy leg feeling. For internal benefits, try mixing 1 tablespoon into a large glass of water daily to kickstart your metabolism and support healthy blood flow. It is a simple dual-action approach. Number 5. Contrast hydrotherapy. Your veins thrive on movement and changes in temperature. Cold water stimulates blood return and gives your vascular muscles a workout. Making a habit of contrast showers, starting warm and finishing cold, can significantly strengthen your veins over time. Even just rinsing your legs with cool water, moving upward from the ankles, can help prevent or manage this problem. Number 6. Get moving. Healthy veins depend on physical activity. If you have a desk-bound or standing job, it's vital to consciously activate your calf muscles throughout the day. Something as simple as a daily walk, a bike ride, or tapping your feet while seated engages the muscle pump in your legs, which pushes stagnant blood back toward your heart. Less pooling means less pressure and fewer visible veins. Number 7. Your diet. A vein-supporting eating plan is high in fiber, fights inflammation, and is low in sodium. Sugary foods, refined carbs, and unhealthy fats can increase swelling and inflammation, which aggravates vein issues. Instead, focus on fresh produce, berries, nuts, whole grains, and good fats from sources like olive oil. Your veins are only as healthy as what you feed them. And don't forget hydration. Drinking around 2 liters of water daily keeps your blood from thickening and eases the burden on your veins. Your body's ability to heal is greater than you've been led to believe. If you found these natural life hacks valuable, show your support by giving this video a like and subscribe to Natural Life Hacks for more ways to take your wellness into your own hands.